Meaning of estrangement.
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 Estrangement. Estrangement refers to a state of being emotionally disconnected or detached from someone or something. It often occurs as a result of a breakdown in communication, trust, or understanding between individuals or groups. The outcome of estrangement can be significant and long-lasting, leading to feelings of loneliness, sadness, and hurt. Relationships may become strained or severed altogether, and individuals may experience difficulties in forming and maintaining social connections. Similarly, estrangement from one's own emotions or sense of self can result in feelings of disconnection and alienation. Overall, estrangement has powerful implications for our well-being and interpersonal relationships.